Kentucky advances tech, energy, and housing plans. Kentucky is moving forward across technology, infrastructure, and community health, even as fiscal pressures and federal policy challenges shape the outlook. Technology and economic development. Governor Andy Beshear announced that Kaza Innovations, a high growth firm specializing in advanced materials, biotechnology, and data systems, will relocate its headquarters to Bowling Green. The nearly $270,000 investment includes a strategic R&D partnership with Western Kentucky University. Alongside this, the state approved more than $700,000 to support site and building development in 4 counties, underscoring Kentucky's efforts to attract and prepare for new industrial projects. According to the National Association of Manufacturers, site readiness funding plays a critical role in securing long-term manufacturing growth, particularly in regions competing for high-tech investment. Fiscal outlook and state budget. The governor acknowledged a projected shortfall in state revenue this year, attributing it to reduced income tax collections and uncertainty linked to federal tariffs. Kentucky's Consensus Forecasting Group will meet September 16th to provide revised estimates. Beshear emphasized fiscal responsibility, noting the state has recorded 3 of its largest surpluses in history, but warned that corrective steps may be needed. AmeriCorps funding restored. Beshear also highlighted a win in restoring more than $9 million in AmeriCorps funding after the Trump administration attempted to halt the program nationally. The funding supports Serve Kentucky's initiatives in housing, disaster recovery, education, and hunger relief. AmeriCorps reports that its programs engage more than 200,000 Americans annually in service, contributing to both local communities and workforce development. EV charging infrastructure. Despite a federal freeze threatening $32 million of Kentucky's $69 million in NEVI program funds, the state is advancing its EV infrastructure rollout. 2 new charging stations opened last week at Love's Travel Stops in Grayson and Sparta, bringing the total to 5 across the state. Eventually, 46 stations are planned to enable long-distance EV travel. Nationwide, EV charging deployment is accelerating, with the Department of Energy (DOE) reporting more than 200,000 public charging ports in the U.S. as of mid-2025, nearly double the total in 2021. Kentucky's expansion highlights the state's determination to stay aligned with national trends despite funding hurdles. Public health and wellness. Dr. Stephen Stack, Secretary of the Cabinet for Health and Family Services, provided updates on Our Healthy Kentucky Home, a year-long initiative promoting attainable health goals. The August focus on obesity addresses one of the state's most pressing public health challenges. Nearly 37% of adults in Kentucky are classified as obese, according to the CDC. The initiative encourages balanced diets, exercise, and social support systems to reduce obesity-related risks, such as diabetes and heart disease. Recovery housing and tornado relief. The state's recovery housing program continues to support addiction recovery, including a $300,000 grant to the Haven Ministries in Louisville. The program expands residential support for women overcoming addiction, linking to the broader Recovery Month campaign in September. Separately, tornado recovery efforts in Western Kentucky advanced with 2 new homes dedicated in Princeton and Mayfield, part of a larger initiative by the Hope Initiative and the Team Western Kentucky Tornado Relief Fund. More than $23 million has been committed to building 250 homes for survivors of the 2021 tornadoes. Outlook. Taken together, the announcements highlight Kentucky's effort to balance immediate community needs with long-term investment in innovation, energy, and health. From advanced materials research and EV infrastructure to recovery housing and public health programs, the state is working to build resilience across multiple sectors. The months ahead will test fiscal management as revenue forecasts are revised, but the initiatives outlined underscore a strategy aimed at fostering sustainable growth and community well-being. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites presented by E+E Leader. For partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team.